Hi, now we are going to see the uh, solid model preparation. So this is not available in the old Mastercam versions. Uh, so after X19 means 2019 onwards, this model preparation is added. So here the many features are very new. Now we'll see one by one. So I'll make one small solid model. I'll make one rectangle 150, 100. Okay. I'll say solid extrude. So make it okay. So we'll add some holes here now. So go to solid holes. Nothing is there to pick me from the points. So first I'll make some points so that I can place the holes on the right place. Okay, so I made some points. So now solid holes, I'll pick that point. 1 2 3. So all three are simple holes. So you can change the type of hole and other thing. Even if you want a stepped hole, means Allen bolt hole, or countersink type hole, other type hole, whatever thing if you want you can make it. Okay, these three holes will make it a countersink type hole. So these many holes are made it now. So now wireframe geometry is not required. I just deleted. Suppose you want to drill here. Uh, so if you want to drill here and you need the center point and axis. So for that application only, that tool axis option is necessary. But in 3 axis, this tool axis is method is not much useful here. But still, I'll show you what the tool axis can do. Okay. Now I select the first hole, second hole, third hole, fourth hole, fifth hole. So two things you are getting together. One is the center point, and another is the tool axis. Okay. Together you are getting. So while drilling, you will get the tool axis point and also the axis. Both you will get it. So it is make you too easy to make the drilling. Okay. Actually, this particular feature is not meant for this. Maybe the hole in the inclined plane you cannot. Okay. In that situation, it is useful. So next option we will take uh, move option. I made it inclined plane, but this, my hole is still okay. I just made an inclined plane now. So now you need to drill on that the holes. So now definitely you need a hole access. Otherwise you cannot. It's very difficult for you to catch the center point and the. So you can, in that situation you can select the hole access. Okay, now we can see the. So the exact requirement is something else. Here also you can do very nicely. So I'll do one thing. Uh, I'll delete this and I'll go for. So it is a. It's very simple method of making the whole axis. But I want to show you the exact place where this uh, whole axis will be used in a better way. Okay. So now I made everything in front. I'll draw something here. I'll make one rectangle here. Okay. And I'll make some inclined plane here. And I trim this. Okay. So now I'll make one extrude solid. For distance I'll make it 100. So now suppose I want to make it in that inclined plane. So you need to make inclined plane. So I'll say, so now I'll explain you the I want one plane now, inclined plane. So here I need the inclined plane. So go to view plane manager, create a plane by solid face. I just click on that inclined plane and the plane is ready now. Okay, and you can give the name for this. This origin, if you want, you can modify it. I'll say this is INC plane. Okay, inclined plane. I mean, okay. If you want, you can reselect the origin. I kept the origin on the other end. Okay. So now I'll make C plane. Make my C plane is INC plane. So now you can say your plane is rotated. So if you want to see your XYZ, just click on the phenomenon. So your X, Y and Z are shown to you inclined plane. Okay. You can keep there also, but that origin should be accessible place. That's the reason. So I'll go to wireframe circle. I'll make some lines here so that to make the here also I'll go to the plane and say plane. I'll make some lines here. This line is my Z plane. I have not shifted my Z. I'll shift to that edge. Okay. So now I shifted my Z. Now I'll draw some line here. Approximately, or otherwise you can offset it also. both the direction. And from here also you can draw some line. Okay, that also you can offset it. Now you got the six center points. So now you can go for draw a circle. So you can lock it and you can put that all six holes here. No, nine holes. Okay. I just corrected some of the line circles are not exactly on that my required point. So I just deleted those points, those circles. Okay, now holes I made it. Now solid extrude all six holes. I will select accept. So now what we are doing is in the inclined plane. Okay. So now the hole also look inclined. Okay. So direction not wrong. I just modified the direction. Clicking on the profile, automatically the direction of hole will change. Okay. Okay. So now you can delete all the wireframe. So now the situation is like this. Okay. You can say isometric. Now I made it as. Now the situation is like this. So you can make it so like this. The model has come here, but holes are inclined holes. So if you want in front view, just shading, remove it. So you can see that the holes are inclined. Okay. Uh, so for that reason only, this whole axis has made. For this, if you want, you need inclined line and the center point. So for machining this, there are two options. You can make one fixture and parallel to make it parallel to table and drill it. Otherwise, you should have the machining head. Your milling machine is capable of tiltable. Okay, means it's a fourth axis. Maybe if you have multi-axis machine, so that automatically you can do this kind of work. So for that reason only this whole axis has made. Now you can see you can select it. So all the things if you select, you will see that whole axis and the center point you will get it. You can change the line length with height and other thing you can modify. You can see that in the window all the things you can change it. I said okay now. Just I will remove the transparency. Now we can see that one point is there and one line is there. So you can easily define your whole axis. So in the old version, in the 5-axis, in inclined plane, if you want to drill, inclined drill, if you want to do, it is very difficult for to get the center of this hole. Okay, and also making the line on the center of this inclined hole is also very difficult in the older version. So that huge difficulty they are eliminated by this inclined plane hole axis. Okay, I saved that file just. It's clear now, hole axis. So next we will see we need some solid model. So the model preparation means addition to the solid model, means addition and subtraction if you want to do it in the solid model, that will be done in the model preparation. So if because of this model there is an option called push pull. You can, if you want to increase or decrease the size, you can increase the length. So this option will allow you to easily edit the model very easily. Okay, you can input the amount of model lengthening or decreasing, that is also you can do by pushing and pulling, however you want, in which direction you want, you can just push pull, and how much that you can type it, and it will extend the model like that. So it must be a solid model. That is the basic criteria. Next option is the move option. We can, if you want to rotate the one face, we can rotate it. I brought it in the kept in the edge now. Okay. Now I'll rotate my about x-axis. Okay. One clock shape will display. Just to hold the phenomenon and just rotate and give the angle. See, whatever direction if you want to rotate, you can rotate any axis. You are free to. Now I just rotated about the x-axis. So if you want about y-axis to be rotated, yes, you can. You can. Uh, uh, okay, I'll keep it here. This edge. Uh, you can see move. And keeping on the edge. So angle, which angle if you want to rotate. So you can rotate. See, so about that edge you are rotating. Many times it will useful for modifying the model which you have got it. Okay, this is about the move. Next is the split faces. So actually we are not splitting the solid. Just face we are just making small split. Okay, so where you want some intersection, but it is not disturbing the solid. Solid is one only, but in the solid it is making some split in the faces. So while selecting or making something or some, you can pick that point on that split. Okay. Suppose if you want to drill on that split point, or some wireframe if you want to do. C plane you can say front. Z I think I need to keep it. Okay. Now you can see. So just it is splitting the face, nothing. Okay. I just want whether y direction split or x direction split. But we are not disturbing the solid. Only on the face you are creating one split. That's all. Next is the so modify feature option is available next. So it is depend upon how you are utilizing the facility. I'll say solid extrude. Okay. Now I'll add some feature here. Okay. And I'll say solid extrude. Okay. Add boss. Okay. So now if you see in the solid property, it shows the single solid. So earlier version there was a history issues are there, but in 2021 there is no issue in the solid preparation modify feature. So you can select a new feature. You can make it a new body, or you can remove this body. You can remove it or add it. So now I made it new body. So this is one. This is a full body. This is the only body. So it is additionally it is copied. So it made one a small copy. So if you want, you can move this and sorry, translate. Okay, and selection. Only wireframe has come. It is separated, but it is not dismantled from the original model. Okay, modify feature, remove feature. You can remove it. It shows that if you remove it, it is giving the error modification. So it removed totally. If you want to add something, you can add it, or you want to remove whatever the thing is there. That is the modify feature. Okay. Next is the modify fillet. So now I'll make one solid. So I'll add some fillets here. I just put it in the visible edge because it's easy for us to check it. So now we'll go to modify fillet. So you see one selection, it has selected entire fillet and modify it. So this is the modify fillet. There is option, you can remove all the fillets, you can remove it. Okay, either modify fillet or remove fillet. Okay, and it will work for chamfer also, I don't know. We'll check it. It is deleted the spaces. Okay, remove fillet. Okay, you remove delete one face means it makes the hollow sheet body. So this is a sheet body now. So you can add the thickness by solid. Thicken option is selected, then it become a thick shell. This is the remove faces. So now we need to see when there is a chamfer, what is the effect. That we need to study now. Just I made the chamfer. Okay. Now whether it allow me to modify the fillet, modify fillet will work here. I don't know. Let us check it. No, it's not. It's not working here. Even remove fillet also, it's not working. Remove feature, modify feature. Yes, it is accepting. So you can use modify feature to modify the um, your chamfers. So I deleted now. Now the next is the history. Uh, so there is no question of operation history in the 2021, but in the old version there's history removal and other thing was there. So now we'll add this solid extrude. So now I made one small example. I just added one fillet here. And all these edges. But I have made this many operation, but it shows only body. But in the old version, if you say it is extruded, it is added boss, it is filleted, like this, it will show the history. Now you can, in model preparation, there is an option called add history. You select, then click there. So now you can see that it is history is added. So if you don't want history means remove history. So like this history you can make it or and you can remove it also. A simplify solid option also given. Not much important. So there are things, simple things are there. It's not much importance, and you can explore it, no problem. Okay. So what are all the main thing I explained? Okay. So assemble and disassemble option is there. So we can just will see the in Mastercam we are not going to do a huge assembly here. But if you receive an assembly file, yes, you can explore it and you can you can do this. This all the things you can do by transform itself. Okay, change face color that you can do it here. Suppose any one face you want some other color, you can select and apply. Just changing the color. So you can set one particular color for the all the faces. That also you can do. Change face color. Some other color you can keep it. So you can clear all means then it will remove all colors. Okay. This is about the colors adding and removing the colors on the solid faces. So this is all about the color features. So this all applicable to the existing solid and modification. Okay. So next is assembly and disassembly. We are not going very deep here. Just for one sample we are going to see. So now you can see one small punch die assembly we have made it earlier. The same thing we are going to use it now. Disassemble. So which direction you want? So select entire model. So now you can see that it is disassembled. And which direction you have to say. In that direction it will assemble. Suppose if you brought a big assembly file and you want to separate the models, that time you can use. So align and other thing you can do. You can align to plane. So this face you can make your own plane by changing it. So I just reverse my XYZ. So I just reversed. So it become a new plane. So what are the existing plane? I just rotated to the 180 degree. So like this you can align some planes and make a new plane. So you can align faces. So it is all used in the disassembly application only. We have seen that whatever things available in the modeling, all the things we have test checked, all the things we have done it. This is the last one, solid model preparation, and we have finished everything. And next we are going to move into the machining. Okay, so we are going to start milling now. Okay, thank you.